Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's healthy sugar-free almond chocolate cake. I'm going to show you how to make keto almond chocolate cake using all organic ingredients and sugar-free. It's only 1 minute to make. Also, low carb and really delicious. Let's make it. Add 1 organic egg and stirring. I'm going to show you all ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of extra fine, gluten-free organic almond flour. Add 1 tablespoon of organic gluten-free, non-GMO cocoa powder. And half teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder. These are used for baking instead of sugar. Non-GMO xylitol sweetener or organic non-GMO stevia. Add 1 tablespoon of either one and mix well. Use 4-ounce porcelain ramekins. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Today's welcome home tip. If you don't have an oven or can bake 15 minutes, don't worry. You can use a microwave to done delicious cake in 50 seconds. Ooh, so soft. 맛있다. So good. 이것도 맛있는데. 맛있다. 둘 다 맛있다. I put some natural soy protein powder so I can enjoy delicious chocolate cake and be healthy at the same time. Enjoy!